So this is the highest one. It is a paint-light pocket knife, and it is also a photo. And it's brought to you by this company called HOT Knives. What I like about it a lot is that, first of all, we have a G10 handle. We have a very good quality blade over here, which is 3.34 of an inch long, and 140 C28N steel, which is really good kind of steel for the budget kind of a knife that this one is. And best of all, it sports a much safer access lock that's going to keep your hands totally safe when you need this the most. So you can totally close it and open it with one hand, which is the biggest selling point of this knife. So one hand opening, just like that, opens super quick. To close it, just grab your hands, your fingers right here, just grab it over here and just move it down. So make sure this thing rests on the bottom. Move this down and voila, it closes right there. Now it does have a few awesome safety features for it. So when you're going down, you can see it kind of stops right here. So it doesn't just drop on your hand, which also makes it another good safety feature. So you can see how it goes. And then there's some resistance over here. And it keeps it from, you see, kind of like snaps back right here, just right here, because it lets you have a chance to remove your fingers, which is really good safety feature. So it opens really quick, and then when you close it, as you can see, sometimes it doesn't go all the way, which is to keep it safe. Now, another thing, the surface area is really smooth. It has a nice carry clip over here. It looks really good. I really like the way this thing looks. And when it comes to you holding it, it doesn't have hot spots. So it's really good for you to hold this in your hand. If you have large hands such as me, there's ample of grip space for you to hold. And if you're getting really close up to do something, there's a space that you can go ahead and do so right here without cutting yourself, which is really good as well. On the top over here, we have a thumb stud for it to open and close. I like the access lock addition to this. And it's fidget friendly too. You can spin this around pretty quick, one hand opening and closing, and so on. Now let's go ahead and test this out, how well this thing actually cuts. Getting some apple here. Opening this up. Let's test this out. Oh yeah, not the best of apples. And this is why we got the knife for, to cut all those imperfections out of this apple. It cuts it pretty good. I really like the action over here, like dicing, slicing, and so on. We are getting a very decent knife for it. It's also very good size when it comes to cutting surfaces and anything else. So you're getting a very good knife that cuts well, and it is pretty smooth when it comes to its action. And I like the way this thing works. Like really nice how it cut everything pretty quick as well. So for those of you who are thinking about, well, should you get this knife, the budget price makes it a very good entry level knife for you to get. And the way it looks kind of cool. I like the grip, I like the handle, I really like how quick this thing opens up. And as you can see, I cut with it, and yeah, it looks nice. It's really nice. The steel is really good quality. I overall recommend this knife in case you're looking for something that's budget. It's almost like having a Benchmade, and yet for the price it's much cheaper than a Benchmade. So you're getting a quality made knife that looks good, that feels great, and works like a charm.